My name is Keith Kumler, and I'm with Kumler Collision. Kumler Collision is a great place to choose to work. We offer benefits, pay, and health care, 401k, those kinds of things, but we also offer a family environment, stability and longevity. We've been in business for 90 years. We help develop the technicians and grow them through their craftsmanship and through the trade. The automotive industry is a great career choice. It offers hands-on work, problem solving. Our technicians are true artists and craftsmen. Automobiles are going to be around for a long time, and people use them, so there's security in that. First of all, I'd recommend the auto industry. It's an industry that needs people. That's going to be true for years to come. But here at Kumler Collision, again, I would help you to develop a trade that you can use the rest of your life. And it's a career. It's not just a job.